Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes.
Hello everyone. To commemorate the occasion of 74th Independence Day, we present a virtual program before all. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will wake to life and freedom. India's long slumber within the shackles of colonization was broken by these lines from our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on 15th August 1947 when he hosted the tricolour flag on the Red Fort of our national capital, Delhi. From then onwards, for the past 73 years, we, the people of India, have been celebrating the day with the full spirit of patriotism.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Sufalam, Malaj Sitalam, Shashya Shyamulam, Mataram, Vande Mataram, Surajosna Pulakita Yamini, Pullakusumitam Drumagalu Shobhini, Suhasini, Sumadhuravasini, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Freedom and power brings responsibility. The responsibility to end poverty, ignorance, diseases and inequality of opportunity. This is what India has been striving for the past 73 years. Presently, a dark cloud is hovering over our country. With movements restricted, we are almost locked in our homes in the similar fashion to how India was locked in a state of subordination to the British power. Here, the enemy is COVID-19 pandemic. The non-violent way of Mahatma Gandhi took a fight against the gripping tentacles of the British rule. We too have to fight very patiently against the virus. While our bodily movement being restricted, we have to allow our mind to wander to find out the right path of our countrymen to live in peace and harmony. We need to make an effort to spread the concept of sanitization to every nook and corner of our country, as we must always remember that health is wealth. All technological advancement will fall in place if we remain good in health. Now we will end our virtual program with our national anthem. I, on behalf of Play and Learn Montessori House, request all our parents with their words to stand up and join us.